In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. You've probably heard of Amazon affiliate marketing as one of the best ways to earn money online, but people never show you how to promote your affiliate links. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to promote your Amazon affiliate links. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is promoting somebody else's product or service for a commission when they get a sale. For example, you could find a $200 product on Amazon and use an Amazon affiliate link to drive traffic to that product. And every time somebody purchases that $200 product on Amazon, you would earn a 5 to 10% commission, which is $10 to $20 per sale. So if you can promote thousands of people to your link, then you can possibly get hundreds of sales and earn thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing. In the top right hand corner, I have a complete guide on how to sign up to Amazon Associates so that you can set up your own affiliate links to Amazon.com. In order to earn money, you need to drive traffic to your links so that people interested will purchase the product with your link. Social media is, in my opinion, the best way to promote your affiliate links. You can use platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter to promote your affiliate links. YouTube is my favorite social media platform to promote affiliate links with. For example, in the description of this video, I have multiple affiliate links linking to websites like Fiverr and my photo editing software that I earn a small commission from when viewers like you go to the description and check out that link and potentially purchase or order a service using my link. Amazon affiliate links are mostly going to be linked to products, so the best way to do that is with a product-based channel like a tech channel. So here's a channel called Mr. Who's the Boss. He is one of the biggest tech channels on YouTube. He has over 15 million subscribers and he gets millions of views with every single video. And so here's a video called I Tested the Most Viral TikTok Gadgets with over 7 million views. If we click on this video and go down to the description, he has Amazon affiliate links here in his video. So he's using his YouTube channel to promote Amazon affiliate links to over 7 million views. Now you might ask, well, Mr. Who's the Boss has an entire production team. He spends hundreds of hours on each one of his videos, and his videos are incredibly high quality and not something that anybody is going to be able to recreate. So here's an example of a channel called Top Tech Now, and they're a faceless YouTube channel and they have far less production, unlike Mr. Who's the Boss. So if we check on one of their videos like the top 5 best graphics cards in 2023, and if we scroll through this video, we can see that it's pretty much just using stock footage. There's no faces in the video and it's just stock footage with a simple voiceover, and anybody could create an easy video like this. Going down to the description, once again, they have all of their affiliate links listed in the description. So they promoted these affiliate links to 14,000 viewers. Because they're watching a video called the top 5 best graphics cards in 2023, they're most likely looking for a graphics card to purchase. So that means that they're going to be interested in these links linking to these graphics cards, and the percentage of people that purchase these is going to be higher than somebody who's not looking for a graphics card. Promoting affiliate links on Twitter is one that I was quite surprised by, but there is actually a way to promote your Amazon affiliate links on Twitter. So with Twitter, you can create an account based on finding deals. So every time when a certain product goes on sale, you can send out a tweet to your followers that lets them know that there's a deal on that product. And the basic idea is that you put an Amazon affiliate link in that post so they see the deal and they go click on your link, and then you make a small commission once they purchase it. And the only people who are going to be interested in seeing if the product's on sale are people who are going to be buying the product. So that means the percentage of people who click on the link and purchase the product is going to be really high because they're all interested in that product and they followed you to know when it's on sale, and now it's on sale, so they're going to purchase it. The second way in this video to promote your Amazon affiliate links is with blogs. These blogs can be anything product related. Once again, tech is going to be one of the best topics to make your blogs about, but even if your blog's not about tech, it could be about clothes or books or anything that you can put an Amazon affiliate link to the product that you're mentioning in the blog. So here's the blog on the 7 best keyboards of summer 2023. It's a tech blog on the best keyboards, and it says right here, when you purchase through links on our website, we may earn an affiliate commission. And if we go down and look at these keyboards, they all have Amazon links, which are definitely Amazon affiliate links. So one of the best ways to to promote your affiliate links is to create a blog like this, and then just put your affiliate links in the description of every product mentioned, like in this blog. This post has 7 different affiliate links in it, and multiple people have probably purchased each keyboard from these affiliate links, so you could earn a lot of affiliate commissions by promoting your affiliate links with blogs. So the third way on this list is one that I've not heard many people talk about, and that is by using Facebook Marketplace. Now you might be asking, how exactly do I use Facebook Marketplace to promote my affiliate links? So what you need to do is go to Amazon.com and look for today's deals. And this shows all of Amazon's best deals currently, and then look for a product that people might be interested in on Facebook Marketplace. So we could say maybe people are interested in this phone right here. So we got a Samsung Galaxy A54 with 11% off. So it's not a very good deal, but it's a high ticket item, so we'd earn more money if somebody purchases it. So now you can copy your link from this page, and now all you have to do is go to Facebook Marketplace and create a post on that product that you're linking a deal to. Put the price and everything, and put it as if you were selling a regular product on Facebook Marketplace, but instead when people contact you, you send them the affiliate link and then you earn a commission instead of actually selling the product yourself. This might not work a lot because you're not going to get a lot of traffic on Facebook Marketplace, but the reason why I think this is actually a good way to earn money with affiliate links is because it's so low competition. Nobody's doing this, so there's going to be nobody else who's doing it. So you're going to have a chance to get a lot of sales by promoting your Amazon affiliate links.